Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and before we start the video I would like to go that in only one day this evening I'm going on holiday, so I don't know if I'll be making videos, but I've got 3 videos premiered and I'll make this video without premiere. So this is going to be a video of how to install, if you've still got Forza Motorsport 4 or Forza Motorsport 3 and you haven't got the disc to like the content pack and you want to get the additional cars, then this is like to show. I'll include FM4 and FM3, so just got them today at CEX. So I'm going to show like how to this is quite old game, but I got an Xbox 360, so that's why. So you have to press install disc 2 first, and then please wait. And now when it says eject the Xbox 360 tray, remove game disc 1 and insert disc 1 and insert game disc 2. Close the tray and wait for the disc to load. So now you just press this disc button, and I will have to put the camera down for a minute, please, because I need to get disc 2 out real quick. So just bear with me for a second, please. So now that I've got disc 2 on, so the storage to install additional content on FM4 is 2.8 gigabytes. So just press A, please, and just press A, please, because this will now install all of the contents of disk 2 onto your storage device. Warning: interrupting the installation process may cause problems, so please wait until the installation completes. And if you don't want to wait all to this installation complete, I might cut the installation in 10 seconds, in a bit. And what I forgot, you will be given on here, the top right hand corner of the screen. Sorry for flickering. Sorry if this screen is flickering. It just happens sometimes when I'm recording at 60 FPS. There will be a timer estimating how long it will take to complete. So right now is about 2 minutes and a few seconds. So I will cut it so it won't be too long. So at this moment I only have 1 minute to wait at the 75% mark. I have no idea if the timer is accurate, because it might end before the timer says it will end, but 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, it stopped. 5. So now after the installation completes, it will tell you to insert disc 1. Eject the Xbox 360 tray, remove game disc 2 and insert game disc 1. Close the tray and wait for the disc to load. So please do that. So now I've got to load remove disc 2. Now disc 1. I'm not going to give you a preview of the cars, but sorry, I might actually give a preview of the cars, and then I will load FM3. Oh, silly me, I forgot to put disc 1 in. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. FM3 on. In case I get interrupted, just doing a recording. So now install disc 2 is complete. Now I'm gonna go to free play. The race. And I don't know, are the disc 2 ones playable? Because I don't know. I am going to see if any of the disc 2 should be complete. I don't know if they will. They will. So this is one of the cars. So it won't be added to your collection. I don't think, but it will install the content. This is Pagani's on the C12. It was locked the last time, but now I can drive it. Save these Pagani's. So now I'm gonna go and load up Forza Motorsport 3 because mine's a 2-disc. See, I got that for £2 today, earlier afternoon. So I'll put disc 1 back. I haven't loaded FM3 yet, so apologies if it's gonna play up with the intro. This is 2 years old. This is a 2009 game, which is why on the cover oh, I think I'd scratch myself. It's darker. The logo. It's lighter with the others. So there's the same turn 10 loading screen. I don't know if FM2 does have it. It doesn't say it's a 2-disc. And I also got Need for Speed Rivals. And to make this like a family friendly video, I will not show any like Peggy, like, no, I won't make it like, I don't know if my videos are family friendly. They are friendly for children actually, so if because they're safe. So FM3 we've just loaded. Oh my god. Welcome. Really sorry for the flickering, it's just oh, it's always flickers. I have to, I'll try and minimize flickering. Yeah. It just happens when I'm recording at 60 FPS. I might have to switch back to 30 FPS. So, it'll give you a bonus content. Warning, Disc 2 contains a complete Forza Motorsport 3 experience. Without it, you won't be able to use all the cards and tracks. Would you like to install Disc 2? Yes, please. So, if you want to, then please yes. Now, also to insert Disc 2. Now, Disc 2 isn't on the drawer. This is FM3. So this is Forza Motorsport 3's Disc 2. Gonna do remove game disc 1 first, please. Then put game disc 2 on. Like as shown on the TV. I'll leave the disc 1 because I will. And now we will have to wait until it installs, which I will cut the installation completely. £1.9 GB required, so it is. And my hard drive, I think it's 250 GB. So this is 0.9 smaller. takes 0.9, so 900 megabytes less space. So press A.
Install the contents of this tube. This may take a few moments.
So press yes, and then I will cut the installation to not make this video too long. So I don't know if the flickering is due to low refresh rates. I have no idea what the refresh rate is, I'm afraid, that I'm recording on. So apologies for the flickering again. I might start recording the next of my videos at 30 FPS because the flickering, so I might have to make that change, I'm afraid. To all of the 60 FPS fans out there, that's the message that was the message to the 60 FPS fans. So I am just approaching the end of my
Installation is complete. Please reinsert disk 1 now.
So there is, unlike FM4, FM3 has, I don't know who, Jeremy Clarkson. It's like they put there's a voice of him, I think. I'm not sure if it's Jeremy Clarkson. Anyways, it will say if it's been installed. Sorry for the black thing. It's flickering. So now we'll install disk 1, and then you are free to access all tracks. Anyways, this is complete. So now all the stuff is installed, and before I end this video, I want to actually see if Forza Motorsport 2 has content to install with disc 2. I don't actually know, but this is from 2007. This game. I'll check, because this is a bundle copy. I don't know what that stands for, but it says it's a bundle copy, which I have no idea what it stands for. It's a bit. Crew, obviously the servers have shut down in the game last year, last March. Need for Speed Rivals. That's my favourite Microsoft logo, actually, in the Dolby Digital. I don't know if I can skip it. If it does, just checking. I'm just seeing if arcade free run. No idea what cars are in here. R1, R2, R3, R4. U, S, A, B, C, D. So, thank you very much to everyone who found this tutorial helpful and who is interested in it. If you're interested in more content like this, like a sub to the channel would be amazing to me. So thank you everyone for watching, and goodbye.